tell myself that I wasn't gonna cry. Yes, I.
You're crying because it's almost Christmas because you can't wait for Christmas.
No, baby. Mama is crying because Mama heart is sad.
Why?
Because
work to do today?
oh yeah.
Papa, do you have work to do today?
Oh yes.
But I think when we finish to eat, I want to play with you.
We're gonna play at the moment today, but Papa have a lot of things to do. Hi guys, it's Sunday morning.
No. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's
Sunday lunch.
Sunday morning. You have to do the good morning, good afternoon, and good night.
That's your signature.
That's everybody's signature. Go for your step.
This morning we have an extra time resting. I want to say sleeping for everybody. Resting. So come in my arms.
No.
You don't even get him step, but you're taking over the
I see
entire.
that just in a little corner.
And so
You need to
good
jump.
morning, and today I already eat my Kinder.
Come on.
These. Oh, I can't see now.
Come behind him.
The number 8 and I eat.
And you didn't show them when you were eating the number 8?
No.
Why not?
But because I don't know how to turn it on.
So you ask Papa to turn on the face for you next time, okay?
Okay.
So how was it? Was it good? What was the
Good.
what was?
It was another egg.
Another egg?
It was
Yes.
man, they keep tricking him in
They
this
put
thing.
a lot of egg for you.
Yes, there's
They
9 eggs.
They keep the big one for the end.
Yes, the big one, the only one.
You guys, Babe and I just got out of bed. Just roll out of bed. And it's almost lunchtime. So I am jumping right into lunch and dinner right now.
She doesn't need to warm up. Straight, sleeping.
Straight to...
Don't cut your finger.
I'm going straight to it because I have a few things I want to get done today. I might even go on the road today. I don't know how the energy will feel as yet, but let's see. Hopefully you guys are having a good day.
Mama?
Tell I'm talking. Hopefully you guys are staying love, staying blessed, staying positive, and I kind of feel so today because I got a call really early this morning that one of my auntie passed away. So lots of prayers for the fam bam this morning. It's the first sibling for my mom to ever pass, and my mom and her were really close. So I know my mom is taking it hard, though her face look a little cheery, but I know deep down she was taking it hard calling me this morning. And my sister is also taking it hard because they're close. But yeah, it's a family member, and once it's a family member, you don't know how it go already. It's never easy. So I know you guys will be sending a lot of prayers in advance. So thank you guys. But anyway, I'm gonna get this dinner on its way. I'm gonna make some curry chicken and some white rice and make that hot and steamy for the family. And then Sarah's over there, which you guys will see in a bit. And then I'm gonna fry this plantain and I'm just gonna eat right away. Anyway, you guys, enjoy the rest of today's vlog. You guys, I'm so hungry. And when you're hungry and cook, the food is even nicer. You know that? When you're hungry and cook, the food is nicer.
Really?
So I'm whipping it up right now with lots of love and lots of hungry feelings.
I can't do that part.
Tyler, out of the kitchen, please.
What you want from that?
Hurry.
Please.
You see my sorrel? That's my sorrel. You guys, I have sorrel to make. I'm gonna draw my sorrel next week. Yes, baby, that's it. I'm gonna draw my sorrel next week. And I'm gonna bake next week. I'm gonna say if I draw my sorrel a week in advance of Christmas, I'm gonna bake a week in advance of Christmas. And I have to bake when baby's home. I have to bake when baby's home, so I'm gonna wake up probably, I think, no, I won't say Saturday, because Saturday is our anniversary. So I think I'm gonna bake Sunday. Sunday morning, right and early.
But today is Sunday morning.
Yeah, but I'm talking next Sunday morning, not this Sunday morning. Can you show the film, Sarah, honey, please? Kai, are you hungry?
Yes, but I want to talk a little bit more to you.
Go and talk to things over here.
Oh, I don't need my step.
Hey, little princess. How? That's your happy foot? Or that's your playing foot?
She's just playing right now.
Mm-hmm.
Ty, don't go behind the curtain. Tyler.
Tyler need attention.
Exactly.
Tyler need attention.
Because
This morning I put her in the blue one, but she showed me like she wanted the pink one. I said, no, Papa, I want the pink one. The blue one is from Tyler's age, and the pink one is
It's from one of our faves.
right.
It's from Shan Shan. No, I need pomegranate. You guys, if you're wondering how I make my curry chicken, it's a chicken plus curry plus all different type of seasoning. I have sweet peppers assorted, I have a Jamaican mixed jerk seasoning, and I have garlic, and I have onions, and I have potato and carrot. And because it's chicken, of course, it's gonna cook fast. That's why I already put my carrot and potato on it. And then my Dutchie is on. Yes, the Dutchie is on. With oil. So I'm just gonna throw this all in right now. You know the Dutchie, you know the Dutchie. And I'm just gonna drop a piece of thyme in it. Thyme. Yes, yardman style. Yardy style. Yardy things. And in the meantime, in between time, that's how I would say back home. In the meantime, I'm gonna put on in my rice cooker a little bit of Melissa in your line, a little bit of na. I'm gonna put on a little bit of rice. Babe, come help me now.
You need help from me?
Yeah.
No, Melissa put on it.
Normally the boss never
Ask for help.
Yeah. No, it's me the boss, not you.
Well, all I want you to do is to clear up the mess that I made.
Oh, that's not help.
So
you need a.
You're my sous chef. You have to prep. Put back this. gosh, lunch is finished cooking. The more I'm here trying to talk to you guys and try to bring off our energy, trying to play some gospel music and trying not to think too much about Auntie's death, is the more my tears just running down my face. Look at my face. I'm in this kitchen crying. Oh, I tell myself that I wasn't gonna cry. Yes, Ty?
You're crying because it's almost Christmas, because you can't wait for Christmas.
No, baby. Mama is crying because Mama heart is sad.
Why?
Because
What?
because one of Mama auntie died. One of your auntie died this morning.
Oh.
Yeah. And I didn't
What's
tell
her
you.
name?
Auntie Avril.
Oh.
Yeah. You met her when you were younger.
Oh, yes. I remember that. What?
Oh, I really was trying not to cry, but man.
Who are the called for dinner?
Rough. There's vegetables, plantain, curry chicken, and there goes the curry chicken finished, and I haven't add any liquid to it. Tyler, I haven't add any liquid to it, but it's done cooking, and the rice is there. So there goes dinner, and I'm gonna eat and drown in my sorrows. Drown in my sorrows. Every time I see her picture pop up on my some family page, I just start crying again. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna eat. I'm just here trying to get some work done. Oh, my girl is sleeping here. My big boys should be in his room playing, and baby's ironing.
Tyler. Tyler. What's going on here?
Look.
What a mess. What's going on in your room? A tornado came?
Yes.
Yes, a tornado that came.
Yes.
What a mess. What a mess. What are you doing?
I'm playing.
Oh, you're playing?
Yes.
Okay.
Look.
What is that?
That is a whisker. I already finished it.
Okay, but the race car already have the cup?
Yes.
Okay, just finish the race.
No, it didn't finish the race. It will make a choice win because that is to make him win.
Okay. Wow.
So wait. Him looks to him.
Okay.
Him looks like him.
Okay. But one is big and the other one is little.
Oh yes, this one is little, this one is bigger.
Okay.
Aha!
Oh, is a Pokemon?
Yes.
Yes, you know how to play Pokemon?
Mais ça où mes cartes Pokémon?
I don't know was.
Of jamaican
Oh,
that they come from Christmas market.
okay. You know what they are?
No, they're not
Okay.
here. I don't
Maybe
see
they are somewhere in this entire mess.
them. No,
Mm-hmm.
let's look everywhere.
Oh shit, I'm gonna try to move on in this mess. Slowly. What is that? Some more mess? What is this in the corner? Is some more mess?
Yes.
Oh lordy.
Let's
So what Papa is doing?
Papa is looking with me. Let's check everywhere in my bed now.
Alright. So Papa go back to what I'm doing actually. what I am doing in the living room. I am bye.
No. No, no, no. I can't take my clothes for school.
It's the same.
No, that's
Let me see. You guys, I'm here working until I won't give me a break. There are stickers, there are stamp.
Yes. Yes.
Sarah woke up just now. Look at her. She had fun sleeping on her papa
Mama?
pillow because she's smelling him and thinks she's probably laying on him. Every time Tyler is talking to me, Sarah smiling like she thinks it's she Tyler talking to.
Mama?
Sarah looking at your eye. Look at her face and she see her brother. Only Tyler alone can make her laugh like this. Tyler don't even have to try to make her laugh. She love her brother so bad.
Des paquets. C'est à mon en anglais. Des deux paquets. Pour faire mes petits cadets. Un rack. Pour que tu aies des vêtements. Un rack. Pour que tu fais pas beau. Moi, c'est parler. Toutes les langues. Moi, c'est parler. Les langues du monde entier. Turquie, j'accepte. Donc, mes journaux favoris, sans un copec. Date de Turquie, tout. Sans un copec. Donc, il y a du Russie. Sans un copec.
Y'all see my child sitting up? That's all she wants to do. Sit up. Look at her.
Toutes les langues, moi, c'est parler les langues du monde entier. Dans ta de rien. Maintenant que tu le dis, c'est ça pour faire. Ça va changer ma
You
vie.
guys look at Sarah
C'est
sitting up
le
though.
judo.
Y'all see her?
Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Okay, good. I didn't eat it. I don't eat you. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I can't. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I want. What? You want the carrot? Want the carrot to eat? You want the carrot to eat?
You're funny.